Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's session. I hope everyone is connected to the meeting. So, till yesterday, we have completed the SEO part till SEO approaches there, and we were discussing the different approaches that are present in SEO. And one of them is a white hat SEO, and second one is a black hat SEO. So, the definition part is already done. And we were on page and off page optimization. So as we have discussed that we have discussed till we have covered white hat SEO techniques and on page optimization. So these were the basic techniques that we have discussed, like confirm to, or you always prefer to use or follow the search engine guidelines, and your design should be user friendly. Your website should have a good internal links. Your content should be beneficial to the users, and it should be original and unique also. And proper use of title, keywords, and meta tags. And then ease of navigation, site performance, and quality inbound links should be present. That will generate a organic uh, traffic to your website. So next is, so as we know that there are two types of white hat SEO. As of now, right now we are discussing only about white hat SEO. So there are two types, on page and off page. So let's discuss on page optimization. So on page optimization or on page SEO involves the optimizing elements within your website to improve the search ranking and user experience. Mean you, it is totally dependent on your web pages, means the changes or the optimization you perform on your website code, that is known as a off page, or sorry, on page optimization. So what are the key techniques that we used under inside this type of optimization? The first one is a keyword optimization, then content quality, title tag, meta tag, and description of meta tags, and then in internal linking, multimedia optimization. So these are the basically key techniques. So in keyword optimization, we use relevant keywords and in titles, meta description, headings, and content. And we all use all these keywords naturally, without any overstuffing. Means we do not need to repeat the same keywords many times. So content, under content quality, create high quality content. Your content should be original and valuable to the users. So add proper titles and title tags and meta tags and meta description of on your website. We will discuss in detail when we cover on page optimization. And then title, sorry, internal linking, links to relevant pages within your website to improve the navigation and distribute link equity. Means your links that are present in your website and that are redirecting user from one page to another, they should be relevant, linked to the relevant pages, and the link should not be broken also. Then multimedia optimization. So optimize your images, videos, infographics with appropriate alt text and file sizes. Means your file sizes, the multimedia file sizes should be less as much as possible, and the alt text should be there in your code also. So these are the on page techniques and in detail. First is the content optimization. So if we talk about content optimization, then a unique and well written content should be there, should be present in your website, make your website appear more trustworthy and valuable. And to the search engines and human visitors. So if your content is well written, then it will create more trust and value to the search engine and the human visitors also. And next is it optimizes your website for search engines. The content will help you to optimize your website for search engines and which help you to get higher ranking in search results basically. And search engines offer the most appropriate website to the end user for their search. So if your content is good, mostly search engines prefer all the website. They show the website to their or on their front page, or they list them at the top, which websites have a proper and optimized content. Next is proper use of keywords, titles, and meta tags. Information that contain inside your HTML code is known as a metadata, and it provides crawlers the information about the website for classification and indexing purposes. We will see where we can define all these information. So a proper title and proper keywords and proper meta tags should be present in your metadata section of your website or in your website's code basically. Ease of navigation means search engine also consider the ease of navigation part while they are when they are indexing any website. So while accessing the usefulness of the site. So always create the navigation of your website should be very user friendly also. So next is the avoid the irrelevant links and use universally recognizable links. So do not use any broken and inappropriate links in your website. And it is not only important for the users, but it is also important for the crawlers who index your website. If the proper links are not present in your website and the links are referring to some other websites, then it should not going to help you to improve your ranking or ranking of your website. Next is website performance. Your website's performance should be, it is another important factor that is considered by search engines to assess the site. Means when they are indexing the website, they also consider the performance part. So the unavailability, unavailable websites and or we can say the unavailable pages that cannot be indexed by a crawler of a search for a search engine. Means if you're publishing a website and your website is not available for the user, their home page or landing page or other pages or some other pages are not accessible for the user or search engine crawlers, then your ranking of the website will not be improved. So a week or even a day, you can consider this point, uh, the seriousness of this topic or factor on the basis that a week or even a day of non-performing website or a page can adversely affect the site traffic basically. So it totally affect your the traffic that are coming to your website. So if your website is unavailable for a single day, then it also decrease or the ranking of your website will be decreased. So Make sure your website loads fast and is accessible all the time. So these are the important factors. Next is quality inbound links. So in quality inbound links, we will, for example, this site must have quality inbound links as a search engines regularly access backlinks to their relevance. And if a website is found to have irrelevant backlinks, it will be discontinued, or there should be any penalty by search engines also. So the example of irrelevant backlinks means, suppose there is a website, you have a website about farming in India, and containing a number of links and from the European website about technology. For example, you have published a website that is promoting the farming, or that is or for example, your website is related to the farming in India, but the links present in your website are redirecting user to the European website about technology. Then these type of inbound links are irrelevant to the user and search engine. So if search engines found such kind of irrelevant backlinks, then the performance or the ranking of your website will be degraded by search engine. So always keep in mind that your website should have quality inbound links. So the next part is a black hat SEO. Black hat SEO techniques that search engine do not approve. Black hat SEO's techniques are those techniques which are not approved by search engines and should not be implemented on website. So always keep in mind that do not practice these type of techniques. These are just what means to increase your knowledge, or just to show you that if you follow such kind of techniques, then your website will be blocked also. So these technique does not work according to the SEO guidelines or search engine guidelines. And these techniques exploit the weaknesses in search engines to get higher rankings for websites on the search engine result page. So all those techniques are known as black hat techniques or black hat SEO. Furthermore, these type of techniques basically focuses on search engines, not on the human audience. They are these type of websites who are using black hat SEO. Those type of websites are basically built for search engines, or just focused on the search engine ranking, not the benefits of the visitors or human audience. So the question is, who uses black hat techniques then? The people who are looking for a quick financial return on their website rather than a long-term investment. If you have a company and you are working, you just want a quick ranking jump in the ranking SEO, or we can say you want a quick jump in SERP of the search engine, then or you want a quick financial return from your website, then you do not want to invest for a long term, then those type of users usually do black hat SEOs. Now, what are those techniques that comes under black hat SEO? And these are the techniques. First is a hidden content. Second one is a clocking. Third one is a doorway page. keyword stuffing, duplicate content. So these are the techniques that used inside Black Hat SEO. Now, what next point is what is keyword stuffing? So, keyword stuffing means the search engine analyze the keywords and key phrases on the web pages and to index the websites. Basically, search engines use keywords and key phrases to index the page or website. And to exploit this feature of search engine, some SEO practitioners increase keyword density to get higher ranking, which is considered as a black SEO technique. Means they stuffed their website with large number of keywords. And the keyword density between 2 to 4% is considered optimal, and if you increase the percentage, then it will known as a keyword stuffing. And then increasing the keyword density beyond that will irritate the readers and also affect your ranking. So that's why it is known as a black hat SEO technique. And next is a clocking. So what is clocking? And clocking is basically it refers to the coding web pages in a such a way that the search engines see one set of content, but the visitors see another set of content. So if you can see the diagram, there are two copies of pages or two different type of a content. That is for one is for the visitors, the human visitors, and second one is for especially for the search engine robots or search engine bots. So this technique is known as a clocking. So now what is the example of clocking? For example, a user is searching for a gold price, and she clicks on a search result that is there is a text written on it. For example, I search a gold price, and then he or she click on the link, and there is a text written on the link, current gold price, and user click on it, or should I click on it? But when the user is greeted with the some kind of travel or tourism website, so that tourism website or travel and tourism website is not asked by the user, or he or she did not search about it, but he or she was looking for a gold price. But in return, what he get the wrong website address. Means you redirected the user. When user click on the link of current gold price, and he or she is redirected to some other website or some other page, that is totally irrelevant. So this practice is basically known as a clocking, and this practice is not acceptable or does not follow the search engine guidelines, which say to create content for users, not for the search engines. So these type of techniques are known as a clocking examples. Third example is a hidden text or hidden text stuffing. So under this technique, the text which is search engines can view, but readers can't. So normally developers inject some text or keywords inside the websites in such a way that those words or those keywords are not visible to the normal users, but search engines can read them. And that's why this technique is known as a hidden text or a hidden text stuffing. So this technique is used to incorporate irrelevant keywords and hide the text or links uh, to increase the keyword density or improve the internal link structure. So this type of technique is known as a hidden text. And what are the different ways to perform this type of uh, stuffing? Is first one is to set the font size to 0, or you can use a CSS code to set text off screen, which means the text will be out of the screen and user can't see it. But when search engine read your web page, then that search engine will, or the search bot will find that particular keyword, and it will index your website accordingly. Third one is a create a white text on the white background. So due to the white background and a text color is white, then that particular text is not going to show to the normal user, but search engines can read that. So this is the coding example of such kind of stuffing. As you can see that I have created a CSS code, and there is a text, that is a hello text. As you can see that P paragraph H1 is a heading text. There is a three paragraphs, and first one is a hello from H1 heading text written, but it is not visible on the screen because in H1 tag I make this text to off the screen, so it is not visible to the user. And p text is visible because I did not applied any CSS or anything, so that's why visible text is showing on the browser right hand side. And in the last paragraph I made this text and decrease its size to 0, so that's why it is not visible. As you can see that I have passed a class, CSS class, and so the font size is 0 pixels, so that's why it is technically present on the page but not visible to the 0 because the size is too small. And in a same BG, that in that paragraph I have written some text, but the color of the background is white and text color is white, so that's why it is also not visible. So these are the few techniques. Next one is a doorway pages. So doorway pages are basically the poorly written pages which are rich in keywords, means number of the keywords are stuffed in a large amount but do not contain any relevant information. And those pages focus on links to redirect users from unrelated pages, that is known as a doorway page. So these pages are used by black hat SEO professional to pass the user traffic to unrelated websites. Next uh, technique is a article spinning. So if you are, suppose if you have some kind of a blog and you are publishing blogs on programming or any particular topic, then you have to write some articles, for example. So if there is some other user or some other website that is also posting such kind of stuff, so if you copy their content and spin their articles they have posted on their website or on their blogs in such a way, or either you can do it by using any tool or anything, or any AI tool, then this concept is basically known as the article spinning. So it involves rewriting a single article to produce its different copies in such a way that each copy looks like a new article, means so you have write some article, or you have taken some article from somewhere, or and you change the language of that article. Language means meaning is same, but that the words are changed or spinned. So this type of technique is known as a article spinning. The content of such article is repetitive and poorly written, and that's why it has a low value for the visitors. And in this technique, such articles are regularly uploaded to create an illusion of fresh articles. So that's why it is also comes under black hat SEO. Next one is a duplicate content. If you copy the content from some other website and directly paste on your website, that is known as a duplicacy and duplicate content. And this is also a black hat technique, and this is known as a plagiarism. So do not apply these or such kind of techniques on your SEO part. So this is basically a comparison between a black hat and white hat. White hat basically comply with the search engine guidelines. On the other hand, black hat SEO, which are not approved by search engines and are used to improve the SEO of the website. White hat don't need to worry about getting penalized and de-indexing of your site. There should be no penalty when you are using white hat, and there is no such thing as a de-indexing. But if you use black hat, then your website could be de-indexed also. And in white hat SEO, focused on providing quality, and in black hat we don't care about the quality, we just care about the indexing of the website. So white hat SEO suitable for people who are looking for a long-term investment, and black hat SEO totally for people who are who want quick financial returns. And white hat focuses on optimum use of keywords, but on the other hand, black hat SEO is where keyword density is increased. So this is a comparison of white hat SEO. So this is the first introduction and basic types and category part of the SEO. Now we will uh, forward to the next topic. So due to some technical issues, some of our viewers are not able to listen properly. So I am just repeating the few slides. Uh, in this topic, we are covering we have basically covered on-page SEO, what is on-page SEO and why we use and what are the different techniques and tools. So in the introduction part, I have explained that that all the techniques that you implement on your website or on your website's code directly to improve the ranking, such techniques or such type of SEO is known as a on-page SEO. And what are the different factors that you have to remember on where you perform the on-page SEO? And these are the meta tags, title, keywords, keyword placements, and keyword density. And and these are the basically on-page SEO process, how you have to perform the on-page SEO. So first one is a keyword research and optimization. First, we will decide what our business is and in which field we are working. When we have a clear idea, then we'll find the keyword related to that business. If I'm doing a marketing, I'm running a marketing agency, then I will find the keywords related to digital marketing, like social media analytics is a keyword, or analytics is the keyword, or digital marketing is a keyword. So such kind of keyword I will search and research on them, which type of keywords are used uh, by my competitors or other websites, or what are the keywords are in a trending list basically. Then after this, we will add, or we will stuff these keywords and description of my business inside the meta tags. There are different meta tags available. Uh, One of them is a title. Then we add we will add keywords in meta tag. Then will we add a description in the meta tag. Then content optimization, we will publish the content, and we will optimize our content and publish only valuable content on our website. So then after that, we will add multimedia part. We will add or upload all the images and videos, and we will optimize them, and we will properly add the alt tags or alt attribute in our code. And then we will upload the right sized images and with the good quality. And after that, Google Analytics and Google Search Consoles are also used to analyze the performance of the website. Then we will add the internal links that are redirecting users from one page to another page. And then URL optimization, your URL should be reflecting your services, and you should use the proper type of URL as we have discussed in the first session. And then there are error handling and message handling. Response messages code basically 301, 302, 404. So you should properly deliver your codes and messages to the user and search engine. So these are the steps to perform SEO, on page SEO. So next one is the on-page SEO tools. There are a number of tools available. These are the few of them, though, which are mostly used. First one is a Google Keyword Planner, where you can use to search and research on keywords, the top trending keywords. And then Shameless and Uber Suggest, Team Explorer, Screaming Frog, Google Search Console. So you can go and check it them out. So the next part is the keywords on keywords. What are the keywords in on page SEO? So first we will discuss what are the keywords. Keywords are basically the ideas and topics that define what your content is all about. So these are keywords are just words or phrases, you can say. In term of SEO, they are the words and phrases that the searchers enter into search engines, and also call them a search queries. And as a website owner or a content creator, you want the keywords on your website to be relevant to what people are searching for, or they have a better chance of finding the content among the results. So your keyword should be reflecting the services you are providing. So next is the importance of keywords. So first we have discussed what are keywords, and now we are using importance of a keywords. Keywords are important because they are the linchpin between what people are searching and the content you are providing to fulfill their needs. And your goal is to improve the ranking in search engine, and in that role, uh, the search engine is to drive the organic traffic to your website from the search engine result pages. So so you should always use the right and appropriate keywords in your website, and the keyword you choose to target will determine what kind of traffic you get. Examples of keyword. So this is example. If you own a golf shop, you might want to rank for a new clubs. But if you are not careful, you might end up attracting the traffic that are interesting in some other sports equipment. Suppose you have a shop, a golf shop, and you want to sell golf clubs basically. But if you and golf is also sports related stuff, so and clubs are under come specifically a sports category. But and if you make a website for your store and shop, and but you are not carefully doing the SEO part and not entering the keywords uh, carefully, then suppose you have entered the keywords like sports stuff, we have a sports accessory, and we have a sports kit. Such kind of keywords we have used in the website, that these type of keywords are not reflecting the exact business you are doing. So cricket and football are also comes under sports part. So if there are some buyers who want to buy a football or cricket bat or cricket kit, they can also visit your website. But those type of visitors are not going to give you any business. So that those type of traffic is not useful for you. So that is totally waste of time and efforts. So always be careful when you choose the keywords. So now what is keyword research? Find the right keyword for your business or website. So what is keyword research? Keyword research is a core SEO task, and that involves identifying popular words and phrases people enter into the search engines, make in an attempt to figure out uh, what to rank for basically. So these type of keywords or phrases normally users enter in their search engines to fetch the desired results. Those and researching keywords give marketers a better understanding of how high the demands for is for a certain keywords, and how hard it would be to compete for those terms in an organic search results. And offering some direction to optimization efforts. So keyword research gives you some idea how high the demand of a certain keywords that you are trying to use is in the market, and how hard it would be to compete for those terms. So that's why the keyword research is also important. Now the next part is how to do a keyword research. Then all the keyword research that starts with some topic, some idea, or some head keywords. That particular head keyword is also known as a, or that topic or idea is also known as a seed. So this seed can came from your industry knowledge. For example, I am a digital marketer, or I am a web developer or mobile application developer. Then there are some certain keywords in my industry. Then you can use or you can search or research on those keywords. So for example, I am a mobile application developer. Then I will research on all the keywords that reflect the mobile application industry. So, from being an active member in related online forums and groups, or from products and services you provide, you can also take keywords from that area also. So, make sure you have a spreadsheet or a notepad where you can jot these terms down. So, as your journey throughout the maze of your website and social networks to discover variations on those keywords. So you can find the alternative words or alternative meanings or alternative keywords. uh, you just have to note down. Either you can use notepad or some spreadsheet, and later on when your code is ready, your website is ready, then you can inject all the required keywords on a desired pages. Next is once you have got the good list, you will want to determine how popular each keyword is. When first you have to make a list, and when your list is completed, then you will just want to determine how popular each keyword is, and how difficult it would be to rank for them on a search engine result page. So this will help the all the tools though those are used for keyword research will help you in this area. First you have to create a good list of keywords, and this is where keywords tool come in handy, and there are many keyword research tools available, and a few of them like Moz Keyword Explorer, WordStream, Google Keyword Planner, and keywordtool.io. It is a website, so you can use any of these tools. Next is start by entering a seed into a keyword research tool like Moz Keyword Explorer. Simply first take your seed or take your you have chosen or topic you have chosen to enter just that keyword in a keyword researching tool. For example, Moz Keyword Explorer, you can use it, and you will be presented with a detail on how popular the search on using that particular keyword is on a particular search engine. So for example, I am using a mobile app developer, and I am doing a development in a cross platform, and there is a different technologies for cross platform development. For example, Flutter is one of them. So if I enter a Flutter keyword or Flutter development in a Moz Keyword Explorer, then it will show you that how popular this keyword is, and how difficult it is to rank using this keyword in my website. So it will research do the all the research work, and basically they explore all the pages or websites who are using this keyword, and on the basis of that it will show me the success rate of this keyword if I use in my website. So this type of tools will help you, so you can go and explore them. Next is a keyword type and analysis. We will check what type of keywords are available, and how to analyze keywords. So there are two type of keywords basically. First one is a short tail keywords, and then long tail keyword. So what is a short tail keywords? So a short tail keywords are those keywords which are one two phrases and generic in nature. So means the as its name explaining that the keywords which are one or two phrases long and generic in nature basically. So there is an example like BBC. BBC is a English news channel, and this is a single keyword. So it comes under short tail, and by genes is also comes under a short tail keywords. It is very simple and just explaining few things about a specific topic or title. So these type of keywords are known as short tail keywords. Then long tail keywords. A long tail keywords are those keywords that are around the 3 to 4 phases and very specific and to the point basically. So there is an example. For example, buy blue jeans for men. This is a proper phrase. There are 3 to 4 or 5 phrases or words are there. And there is a second example, Google Pixel 2 XL, for example. This is a Google Pixel phone. So, so these type of keywords are known as a long tail keywords, and these are specifically explaining the thing. For example, if user search a blue jean for a man, then the websites who containing such keywords in their meta tags, titles, or etc., then those type of website will be listed on the top or on a front page of a search engine. So this is how these are specifically defined the defining about the search results or a page of a website. So these type of keywords are a long tail keywords. Now, what is the keyword analysis? So keyword analysis is basically a SWOT analysis for organic and paid advertisement. So a SWOT analysis is performed on a keyword, on a specific keyword. And now what is SWOT? And SWOT stands for, S stands for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunities, and T for threat. So basically this type of analysis is performed to check any topic or any keyword, that what is the strength of this particular keyword and what are the weaknesses of it, where we should use or where should we not use them, what are the opportunities it will fetch to us, and what are the threats it could came with. Then SERP or search engine result pages are totally based on keywords. So the analyze the keyword of the industry for the website always, and come up with the keyword, come up with the keywords most relevant to the product, services that your website or your company offered. So this type of analysis we have to perform whenever we select or we are going to use any keyword. So SWOT analysis is performed to fetch the organic for both, basically for organic and paid advertisement. Now, why to target long tail keywords? Why we have to use long tail keywords? The long tail keywords are clearly define the user's requirement. As I shown you in the previous example, uh, there is an example given like a buy blue jean for a man. This particular example is explaining the exact meaning or exact search query for the user. So the long tail keywords are clearly defining the user requirement, what the user want, what are they are searching. So these type of keywords are very useful. So long tail keywords are clearly define the user requirements, and they are very specific and to the point, that are clearly explaining us or our website or our search engines that what type of pages user exactly want. And then Google show only those results that match with the long tail keywords. They stands better chance in a ranking high in the search engine pages or indexes. And always ensure the long tail keywords are in the title, heading, and first paragraph of the page for a good result. You should always use the long tail keywords in your title of the page, heading of the page, and in the first paragraph of your page or web page. So that's why these type of keywords are very important, and that's why we have to target or we have to use these type of keywords in our website. So longer and specific keywords stands better chance in for a conversion. Conversion means the target or the redirected audience or the traffic that comes to your website will be convert in your lead, and that lead will produce a business for you. So the higher chances, the better chances of conversions are always with using a longer and long tail keywords. So as you can see in the example or a photograph, that 70% of long tail keywords perform the or fetch the search traffic on a website. So this is one more example of long tail keywords. So for example, if user search tomato plant, then there are very low chances if your page, suppose user want a query like why tomato plants turning yellow, and your website is providing the means right information, but the title and long keywords are you have inserted in your code or your meta code is like a tomato plant, or when to plant tomato plants for sale, something like this. So these are short tail keywords basically, so they have a very low conversion rate. So as the length of a keyword or long tail keyword we have enter in your website, then the chances of conversion rate are very high. That's why we have to use long tail keywords. Now strategies for long tail keywords. So there are following strategies. First, use Google autocomplete with your keywords, and research on Google AdWords and Keyword Planner. There are tools like Google AdWords and Google Keyword Planners. You can simply search for keywords and you can check the performance of each keyword, which keyword is have a very large competition in the market. Then you can choose the right keyword for your website, and do some competitor research and analysis also, what your competitors are using, what type of keywords they are feeding in your website, things like that. Then integrate long tail keywords into your content, and ensure that the long tail keywords are 4 keywords or more, and use the research on other keyword analysis tools also like Hittail, Word Tracker, and Uber Suggest. So use the research on other keyword analysis tools also. And these are the few tools like Hittail and Word Tracker, etc. So this is about keywords, and next topic we are going to discuss about metadata and meta tags. But for now, we are taking a short break. Then we will come back and we will continue this session. Let's proceed with our today's session. And so the next that we were discussing is metadata and meta tags. And first, we will discuss what is metadata and what are meta tags basically. So what are meta tags? Meta tags are also known as a metadata of your website. And metadata is, if we write down a definition of it, that is defined in a term that it is a data about data. So metadata is basically a data about data. So if we describe it in a simple terms or simple words, so then we can say that the information about your web page that is defined or described in some specific tags, that those tags are meta tags, and the data or the information is defined inside those tags is known as a metadata. So basically the metadata is describing or providing the information about your web page. So meta tags are basically HTML elements. And what are those elements? One is a page title, description, keywords, and author, etc. So if we check the coding part, SEO page meta title. First is the title. So where is it described? So this bit basically, this part of the browser tab is known as a title part of the page. And SEO page meta title means the page title refers to the title tag displayed on the title bar of your browser window. So this is the title bar, and it is a part of the meta tags in the HTML inside the head area. So if you check out the following code of your website, that this is your HTML code, and in the inside the head, this is the title. So whatever the text you wrote inside the title here, it will be displayed here. So this is a title tag, and the page title tells user and search engines about the type and the nature of the information available on your page. So suppose if your home page, you can simply write it down home or home page, or if it is a page about us or contact us, then you will simply enter the text here inside the title like a contact us. So next, how page titles are displayed in a SERP. So page titles are displayed in a SERP results in such a way that this is your result output of a specific page. For example, I have searched digital marketing in the Google, then it provide me some website links. So this is the first link, and this is a paid one. Basically, this is a sponsored, but all the pages or all the links are displayed in same manner. But the only thing changes is the sponsor links are at the top. So this link is the title of your page basically. This is defined, this link or this text is defined the title of your web page. So next is what are the instruction to write optimize titles, how to write. So first is the length. Google usually display the first 50 to 60 characters in a title tag. Always remember, keep it in within that range. But recently Google increased, now they can show up to 70 to 71 characters. And for example, this I have searched about credit card, and uh, this is the total length of uh, title that is shown by Google result pages. So next in instruction, second instruction is a keyword placement. Replace the target keywords at the start of your title and keep the least important words at the end. Always remember that the important and the main keywords you should place in the beginning of the title. Next is a keyword separation. Use vertical lines or pipes. Pipes are basically this type of symbols that is on your keyboard, sorry. So if this is your first word, then simply add this pipe symbol, then your next word, then again, or you can use simply commas also. So this is a recommended way, and always avoid these this is a recommended way. And what are the main things that you have to avoid? Do not add commas and underscore or dashes. For example, there is a keyword like a dash. If you write it something like this, uh, then this is suppose this is a one keyword, and then this is your third keyword. This is not a right approach. So always use this pipe symbol rather than using commas, because commas are not creating a proper uh, separation basically. So always use these type of symbols, and then do not repeat the title tags. Write different title for different pages, and do not place same title on multiple pages, because it will confuse the search engine and it will confuse the user also. So it is not a good practice to you repeat the title tags. Next is simple. Your targeted keywords or phrases should be simple and short, and you always should use the titles or title keywords always simple and short. So avoid the words such as if, and, then, but, etc. Never use such type of words in your titles. Next is a website or company name. Do not use website or company name in the title tags unless it is very popular or the part of your important keywords. Only then you can use. If your website or company is already popular or it is a part of your important keywords, only then you should use the name of the company in your keywords. Otherwise, do not use your company name in the title tags. And what is meta description? And meta description is the second part of data about data. It will describe the your page basically. So what is meta description? Meta description is a short paragraph which is placed in the HTML of your website. There are certain tags like meta in your HTML code. So these tags contains a short paragraph, and it is a kind of advertising copy that briefly describes the content of your page. This short paragraph briefly describe what your website's page contains, what type of data and content it contains, and meta description appear under the URL and of your page. Meta description appears under the URL of your page in the result page, SCRP, and it is also known as a snippet. So this is a meta description, how we can define them. So this is basically as in a previous example, this was a title, and this part, the text that is displaying or written under the title of your search results. This part is basically known as a meta tag description. This is basically describing about the that particular page. And if we check out the example, the coding part, then there is a simple example of a simple web page. It is a not a fancy web page, just a simple web page. And this is the code, HTML code, and this is the head part. And this is the body part, and body part will contain all the content of your website. But inside the head part, there is a title that we have covered already. As you can see, this is the keywords are written, or there is an example I have shown that if you use commas, how you do not use the which approach you should not use, like this one, and what approach you should use, like this one. This is the pipe symbol basically. So let me just erase all, and this is a pipe symbol, and you should write keyword like and separating using these. You can learn, you can add the keywords like this, for example, and using a space. But if there is a next keyword, do not use like this commas. After a one keyword enter ended, then you have to add the separation symbol. This is a pipe symbol, and after that, the next keyword. So this is a title example, and this is the meta description basically. So there is a meta tag in your HTML code. Do you simply provide a name? Name will describe. We will enter description because it will tell the search engine that this is a description of the page. And there is another attribute. This is a name attribute describing the what type of content or what type of meta information we are serving to the search engine. So we are telling the search engine that this is a description of the page. So after that, there is a content attribute, and here in this section, we will add all the few line that we are going to have short description that we will add here. Like this is about CDAC page. So CDAC offers the most researched and documented advanced training material on search engine optimization. So this is a simple example. So this is how you can create meta tags. Next, what are the instructions to write meta description? So similarly, first is keyword, then readability, then compelling, then length. So incorporate the most important keywords in your meta tab description. You have to add all the important keywords in your meta description. Then second point is the readability. So your meta description should be simple and relevant. It should be relevant. First, it should be relevant to that particular page in which you are adding in the description, and it should also be relevant the services you are providing to the user. Then it should read like a human written sentence. Do not add extra special kind of symbols. It should be human readable or human written sentences. And then the keyword stuffing should be avoided. Do not add any specific keywords in this particular area. Third point is a compelling. It should be as compelling as possible. The text or the brief description that you are entering or adding in the meta tag, it should be as compelling as possible. For example, it should clearly describe the content of the page. And then length, it should be up to 135 to 160 characters, and each search result will truncate it. So it should be up to 160 characters, the maximum length, and 160 characters long, else the search engine will truncate it. if you add more information, the search engine, when as you can see that in the previous in this example, if you write the text in a limited amount, then it will show the proper text. But if you cross the limit, then it will truncate the rest of the part. So this is how. So this is the second topic of SEO. So that we have covered. So this is uh, the SEO part we have covered. There are few things that couple of things that I'm going to describe in a brief information. Just let me share. Because SEO is a very vast field, so all the topics we are going to cover just the important topics here. So there is a one more topic that we are I'm going to explain in a briefly. That is the off-page SEO. So similarly, as we have performed the on-page SEO, we can also do the off-page SEO, and off-page SEOs are basically that type of SEO which is uh, off-page SEO refer to the measure that can be taken outside the website. Means in this type of SEO, you do not need to do any manipulation or any customization in the coding part. You just have to perform this type of SEO from outside the website. So what are the different ways to do that? You can simply link, you can page rank competitors, link analysis you can do, posting to forms, you can write the blogs, you can form the external links, and press releases, article submission, social bookmarking, blog submissions, these type of stuffs basically. So these are the techniques. Like if you want to do the off page SEO, then just first create link building. You can do blogging, you can write blogs. For example, if you have a website that provides a digital marketing solutions, and you write a blog on some third party website, for example on a quora.com or any other website. So if your reader from that website, they read your article, they like your content, and in that article you have passed the reference or link of your website for further solutions. And if a user like your article, and then he or she will click on that link, and he or she will be redirected to your website. So this is the off page SEO technique. So this is how you can transfer or redirect the organic audience from external links. So you can perform guest blogging, you can do email marketing, or you can do content marketing. You can write content for others, and through that content, you can also promote, or you can inject your links, use your website's link to gain some traffic for your website also. So these type of techniques are basically off page techniques or off-page SEO. So these are the basically tools that are used for off-page SEO. Authorities Lab, and these are mostly paid one. BuzzSumo and Link Miner, etc. So these are the few tools that you can use. You can also perform Google Search Console. Basically, initially it was known as a webmaster tool, then now it is renamed to Google Search Console. So you can simply go to the Google Search Console and log in it. So these are the little Next is off-page link building. How you can build your links. So link building is basically a process of getting external links pointing to the website. For example, as I told you that suppose you have written some popular you have written a blog on some popular website, and from that your viewers are redirected to your website. So this is the external link building. And search engines always values the audience or links from the quality websites. So this is how link building works. You have worked on one website, and from that a user came to the all the users are redirecting from your to your website. For example, you have written on this website for this website, etc. How can you perform the link building? You can write social media post, Facebook, Twitter, etc. You can write a blog, WordPress. You can create your own website as a blogging website, or you can do on the WordPress official blogger or Tumblr, and you can do a guest blogging for other websites also. So these are the techniques. So what are the benefits of link building? It will increase the crawl rate, increase the backlinks, increase the web traffic, and increase the brand value for you, and increase the page rank. So these are the major benefits. So for blogging, what is blogging? You write some articles for other websites or for your own website. So these type of known as blogs. So there are different platforms available. WordPress, online web, WordPress.com is also provide the blogging option, and then Blogger and Tumblr, etc. Oh, so if you want to create a blog for using WordPress, you simply just go to the WordPress.com. There is a blog option available. Your UI might be changed. The screenshot a little older. Then you can simply go to WordPress.com and search for the blogs option. And simply there was a link to create a blog. And similarly, that like we have created our localhost website. Similarly, you just have to enter your name, website name, and the services you are providing, then the goal, and providing all the details. Then you can choose the domain name. If you want to buy a domain name, then you can buy it. Otherwise, you can go with the subdomain of a WordPress. You can also use that. There are different plans available. There is a free plan also, and there are paid plans for domain names and hosting also available. So you can choose any of it, and then email, enter your details and login credentials, and then simply log in to your WordPress dashboard. So this is how your dashboard is going to look like. It might be changed as per the screenshot, or are little older. So the new UI of the WordPress.com could be a little different. So for the features are almost same. There could be a new features are added. So this is how you can create a blog on a WordPress.com. So these are this is basically the introduction to on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and all over SEO. So we are wrapping up the SEO part here. So now the next topic that we are going to start is on Facebook, Facebook marketing, how we can do a Facebook marketing. And let me just give me a couple of minutes. Let me just share and open my PPT. Then we will proceed with the Facebook marketing. So let's start with the Facebook marketing. So Facebook as you know that Facebook is a social media platform, but and it is very popular and very famous social media platform with a large number of user base. So Facebook marketing, if we discuss in Facebook marketing, we will learn how we can use a Facebook as a digital marketing tool. So Facebook marketing is a way to promote your product and services digitally on Facebook. So Facebook is a social media platform created by Meta. Initially, it was named as a Facebook as well, but recently it is renamed to the Meta. The parent company is a Meta, and now Facebook is a product, and that offer a variety of highly targeted paid advertisements and organic posts. Simply, you can use the Facebook as a social media platform also, and you can use it also as a digital marketing tool. So it allows all the brand and businesses and service providers to put their product and services in front of the massive audience. And Facebook has around 146 million users in India, and Facebook is has a 3.5 billion monthly active user base, basically 3.5 billion monthly active users, and is predicted to reach 3.7 billion, uh, crossed all in a quarter of a quarter end of the user 2024. So uh, the as stat says, the reputation, or you can say the user base of Facebook is increasing day by day. It is still a massive tool, but it is becoming more gigantic by every day. So that's why Facebook as a marketing tool is very important. There are many features available that you can use to promote your product and services. So Facebook is undoubtedly the most popular social media platform that available with many advantages associated with it, and it is a primarily a social networking website, and however it can be used as a handy tool for promoting and advertising of businesses. So next question is why we have to use Facebook first, because Facebook is a biggest social media platform. It has a huge number of monthly active users, and if we consider the Facebook as a country, then it would be a world's third largest country after China. This is how Facebook big is. And next, easy to use because the user in friendly interface Facebook has, and social marketing is very cheap on Facebook as compared to other platforms, and it has other social media platforms also. So now, as you know, that Facebook own many other social media platforms like Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. So that's why they have a large reach to promote your product. So these are the journal stats or statistics of Facebook by quarter two of 2023. Facebook has over 3.070 billion monthly active users, and 38.7% every month of the global population uses Facebook. And Facebook is the third most popular app in the world, and 134 billion in revenue in 2023. So these are the stats of Facebook. So this is how you can imagine how successful and how big Facebook is. So what we can promote on Facebook? Almost everything you can promote on Facebook. For example, there is a if you have a brand, you market a company, you have an organization or cause, you are promoting some person and a public figure, you can create a profile of them also. You can create awareness about any service or product. And how Facebook works? Facebook is a free social network platform. And simply, as similarly to other websites, you simply have to register, login, create profile, and connect with your friends and share your content with them. And users can only send and share the information with others, and with their permissions. Means you have to follow or you have to add others as a friend in your profile, then you can share the content. And businesses can also promote their product, services, and solutions by creating company profile and engaging with their existing and potential customers. So businesses, and the companies and organizations can also promote their product and services on Facebook pages and profiles. They can create their company profile, they can create their company page, then they can promote their services. So private organization, if you have a private organization or NGO, then still you can use Facebook. Options available on Facebook. So these are the options that Facebook provide. You can create Facebook pages, you can create Facebook groups, and for a paid advertisement, there is a section named Ad Manager, where you can compose or create your advertisements and promote posts. And under pages, you can simply compose post, inbox notification, insights, publishing tools, ad tools, so service information and service option pages. There are number of options are available. Now next is a what is Facebook page. So what Facebook pages basically are. So So the motive to create a Facebook page is a first to create the content, connect with your friends and circle, and then post your content and promote your services and content or your post. So this is the main motive to create a Facebook page. So what is a Facebook page in itself? So Facebook pages are places on Facebook where artists, public figures, business, brands, organizations, and charities can connect with other fans or customers. So you can create a simple Facebook page. You can where you can publish your content and share it with your fans or your customers. When someone's or follow a page on a Facebook, they can start seeing updates by your page on their news feeds. So they are likely a mini website or a blog. You can call Facebook pages a mini website or a blog. So type of Facebook pages. Facebook provide a different and many type of options. So there are could be a local business or place. You can create a page for them. You can create a page for some company, some organization, or some institutions. You can create a Facebook page for brand, any brand, a particular service, or for a particular product. For example, there is a company named Adobe, and Adobe developed or create a different. They have a different type of products. Number of products they have. They have a Photoshop, they have Illustrator, they have a Adobe Reader. Uh, so they can create a Facebook page for their whole company, like Adobe whole Adobe, and they can also create a sub uh, page or a different page for a separate single product. For example, they have created a page for a Adobe Photoshop only. There where they post only Photoshop related or Photoshop's latest bugs or updates related informations. So this is how you can create a separate pages for us services, brand, or products also. So next, artist, brand, and public figure. If you are some kind of a artist, you are an actor, you are a writer, a singer, or a politician, then you can create your individual your individual page also. You can create for entertainment industry. You have some kind of a cause or a community you are running, then you can also create Facebook page for that. And these are the top and common features that you can use inside a Facebook page. First one is a create a new, you can create a simple text and text post, or you can create a simply multimedia post. You can upload and publish your multimedia content like photos and videos. You can create opinion poll. Opinion poll basically is now shifted to Facebook groups section basically. And previously it was present in the Facebook page post also. They are regularly shifting their features from A to B, but initially it was placed, the opinion polls feature was accessible in both sides, in Facebook groups and Facebook pages. But now it is available only in Facebook groups. So then where you can use the ask question to the audience option, there you can add a call by action or CTA button, there are available. I will show you in the Facebook profile where you can use the CTA or call by action buttons, or how can you add different type of call by action buttons in your profile or in your page. Then you can start live stream, you can create an ad, you can publish an ad. Facebook pages inside section will provide you all the statistics or analytic information about each post you have posted, how that particular post is working, is it getting a good attention by the users, or how many likes or how many comments you have received. Facebook setup, page setup for a business. So just simply you have to just log into the Facebook profile. First you have to create a profile, then you have to log in to your profile, and then then there is a this type of icon, it will be available. And when this icon open, and if you tap on it or click on it, this particular window will be open. And this window or this section is divided into two parts. And the left part is basically, and this is the right part. And the left part is for the different options like events, friends, groups, news feeds and pages. This section is basically for the already created stuff. And the right hand side is the creation section, and where you can create your new post, you can publish your new story, and you can start or create a new chatting or video chatting room or VC room. And you can create a new page, you can create a new ad, and you can create a new group. You can create events, and you can list your product in a Facebook marketplace. So this is technically a creation section, and this is your the topics that you have already created. For example, if we have created a page, then all the already created pages will be listed here. All the created groups will be listed here. So this is how you can so for example, if you click on create new page, then this type of window will be open. You have to provide the name of the page, and you have to provide the name here, and then category, and then description. And in this particular section you will see the preview, and where you can check the desktop preview and mobile preview, and simply just have to proceed. Click on a create new button, and after filling the information, as you can see that we have updated, enter the name and category and some description, and the description part should be entered properly, and you have a limited words. There is a character limit, and according to that you have to just enter the important stuff here, and then we have to click on create new page. And if you have your page logo, then you can simply add your page logo here, upload, and simply save, and then your page is created. So this is your home page dashboard for Facebook page, and this section will have all the features part, all the features like inbox, where all the messages from your viewers will be displayed here. The planner, if you want to create any specific event, then you can simply create it. Publishing tool, you want to publish any content, news feed, business apps that supports to Facebook. And after that, your home news feed will be here, messenger tool, and notifications, insights. And this is basically, this section will be cover all the, suppose if you have posted a photo on a Facebook page, or your product image on a Facebook page, then how many likes it gets, how many comments users have done on your recent post or every post. Then all the calculations will be displayed, all the statistics data will be displayed inside section. Then there is a ad center where you can create or promote your post or your page also. And this is in this section, this is your profile photo, and this is at the top. In this photo it is not displayed, but this section at top there will be a cover photo, where you can add a cover photo related to your business or your company. Then this is your page name, and this is your username. So page name is a different thing, and the username is a different thing. Page name could have spaces, but the username could not have spaces, and the username should be unique. So basically, usernames are created to share your social media profile easily. Suppose if there is a Facebook page named, whenever you create a Facebook page, then a unique ID, a large string ID is given to the page. So if you want to tell, or if you want to share that Facebook page or link of your Facebook page to somebody, then it is very hard to remember. So the usernames are always easy. Just create a username. For example, I have a digi market, for example, this page name, and I created uh, my username like digimarket112 without any space. And whenever I want to share my Facebook page, I just share, I will tell someone that at the rate, then the username like digimarket123. This is my page name. Whenever they search on Facebook, Facebook automatically recognize the username, and it will be redirected. The user will be redirected to that specific page. So this is how usernames are very helpful. And next to the username, there is a category that we have chosen in the creation part. So and this is the profile overview, and this section is basically all the important tabs and links available or provided under the Facebook page. So home, services, reviews, shop. If you run any marketplace, then or any business, then you can add or create a shop also. And then more, now there are further new options are available under this. We will explore everything. And Then this is a CTA or call to action. You simply have to click on this button. There is a number of buttons available. You can choose any CTA button, like if you want your user just simply call you, and there is a call button. And if you want them to access your WhatsApp group or WhatsApp chat, then there is a WhatsApp button. And if you want their user to visit your website, then there is a visit website button. But there are number of CTA buttons are available, so you can use or add any of your CTA button in your Facebook page profile. And this section is basically a create post section, where you can create your post, upload photos, videos, and you can add any emojis and feeling section. So this is where you can publish your content. So this is how your Facebook page dashboard. So as I told you that this is the profile picture, and this is your cover photo or cover image. You can change or edit or simply click on here. So page description. So your page is starting to come together with some beautiful imaginary. So always try to enter the important and creative information in a less words, because we have a limited characters allowed by Facebook. Then we have to manage with that. So we have to add the description and in a minimum words, and but our description should be creative and attractive also. So let's just uh, just allow me to just log in my Facebook profile, and I'll show you uh, how a Facebook page looks like, or what are the new changes, or if there is any other new features are recently added or not. Then just so I have logged in to my Facebook profile account. Uh, so whenever you after the successful registration, whenever you log into your Facebook account, your main profile basically, so this is how your Facebook profile will look like. As you can see that right left hand side, there are different links are available. There are like find friends, memories saved, or groups, etc., and marketplace. And this is your home feed page. And this is basically friend section. This is videos if you want to access only videos related content. Then marketplace if you want to check out someone's on, like people's have already posted like there someone is selling cars, phones, etc., and PCs. So this is the marketplace, and this is the group section where you can create your own group and join other groups also. So this is the Facebook profile. As you can see on the right top corner, so there is a first is the account section where you can we can see that there are different Facebook pages. And and if you want to switch any profile, then you can simply switch it on. And this is a notification. This is for messenger icon, and this is the grid icon, the main menu icon. If you click on it, as you can see that this is the menu window. And as you can see that there are creation section. There are posts you can create, story, reel, live event, add group and events. And on the menu section, there is a pages section and event section. If you click on, for example, I click on pages, then it will redirect me to the all the it will show you all the pages that you have created. So there are a few examples already we have created, like a Ganam page, and one is a clothing marketing related page. And if you want to create a post, just simply click on here. It will show you a window where you can simply add your text here. And if you want to add any background to your text, you can simply change any color. And if you want to add any multimedia features, then you can select here. And, for example, if I So these are the basic settings related to the pages, so that you can do. You create page. I think they have shifted, or maybe it will redirect to the messenger part. And so I think the create new page, they have removed the link, or the So the page, create page link, I think they have shifted somewhere else. Let me just demonstrate you the page, Facebook page dashboard directly. We have already created few pages. So for example, if I click on IT for Masses, Himachal Pradesh, this is a page. So if I click on here, so this is going to be a dashboard of your page. And whenever you successfully created a new page, then this is going to be your home dashboard for a Facebook page. Then this is left hand side, there are few menu options like professional dashboard. If you click on it, it will redirect it to you the detail section of your Facebook page. There you can where you can just explore more options, advanced option basically, like insights, audience, ad creations, event testing. Testing means the ad testing basically. So these are little more advanced features. So this is for professionals, and insights will be show you the overall brief stats, and you can access ad center from here also. Simply click on here, it will redirect you to the ad center to create new ads. And this is your home page, and this is the cover photo, and you can edit. Simply click on here, you can choose any photo from your computer, or the photos that you have already uploaded on Facebook. And there is a post a page name, and there is a page logo. You can simply change your profile photo or main logo from here. And this is the about section, post, about, mentions, reviews. There are number of options are available. So in about section, as you can see that all the main description is going to be here. So your contact or any other information. Then mentions, and if you want to mention, if somebody mentions you in any post or any comment section, then all the mentions will be displayed here. Then reviews, all the reviews that are performed on any post, then that reviews detail will be displayed here, because as of now there is no review has been done, so that is why this section is empty. Total followers, how many followers your page have, then you can check all the details here. Photos, on the photos you have uploaded on your channel or on your page, that will be displayed here. And there are many other options like videos, lives, groups, all the details, events, music, check, sports, films, everything. There are number of options available, you can explore it. And and now if you want to post anything, you can simply either you can click here, and you can publish the post here. If you want to upload photo, videos, you can simply choose and add photos from your computer. And or if you want to tag someone, so simply you have to simply use their username. Simply search this, like for example, so it will search all the users available on Facebook. So this is how this section is basically for post creation, and you can create your post on your Facebook page. As you can see, there are already number of posts are published. So this is the basic information. And if you want to add story, you can simply add. And if you want to check your Facebook page as a viewer, as a third viewer, then you can check here. Simply click on view as. It will show you the page look and feel like somebody else is checking out, not without login. So this is how your page is going to be look or will be displayed to the other users. This is the name, this is the intro, contact information, website, and ratings or reviews. Next, add action button. And if you want to add any action button, then you can simply click here. So these are the basically you can customize your icon button. These are basically the action, call to action button. Means if, for example, you have a some kind of a booking website, or you have a some kind of a booking services you are providing, like a cinema tickets, uh, show tickets, something like this, then and you want your visitors, the Facebook visitors, to redirect from this page to your website or your booking page, then you can simply book now. You can choose this button and click next, and it will ask you the schedule tool you can use, or you can connect other tool. So if there is a Facebook schedule tool, you can choose edit availability, and you can select the time anytime you want, for example, and at 8:30 and save, and this time will be added. And this is how you can create the booking system, and you can get the data from users, input from a users. And if you want to add or connect some other tool, you can simply click here, or you can choose the tools from this list. There are a number of tools available, so you can choose any tool, or and click on continue, and then it will be direct you to the that particular page, and you just have to enter the information, and just that's it. So this is how you can add a button that is a book now section for book now option. And if you want to create a sign up, then you can simply add a button where you just have to enter the website's page address. Means you want your Facebook visitors to sign up on your website. Whenever a user visit your website and click on this button, he or she will be redirected to the page. The link of that page you have to enter here. For example, for example, I am redirecting the user to some kind of a for Twitter. I'm opening a Twitter sign up page just to demonstrate you. And this is a sign up create account, for example. So this is the page I want, and I am entering the URL here, and I'm just saving it. Now my button is added to my profile. So whenever a user visit, so for example, if I copy this link and if I open this link here in separate browser, just let me share that screen also. Or just let me just view as change the view of the page. Or whenever you visit, as you can see, this is on this section. Like there is a two buttons like message, follow, and query, and the new button will be added here, like for a sign up button. When user click on it, and he or she will be redirected to Twitter's page, the link, basically the link you have entered. So this is how you can create your own customized buttons, and there are number of different type of buttons available. And just delete it, and there are other options also: start order, view shop, if you want to redirect your users from your shop website, or get tickets, send messages. If you want to send message Facebook Messenger, on Facebook Messenger, then you can use this button. Send WhatsApp message, you can use this button, where you have to enter the mobile number that is connected with the WhatsApp, and then call now button, then send email, contact us. You can redirect your users from this page to the contacts page of your website. So there are number of different type of buttons are available. So you can choose any of it as per as your requirement. And then the search option, page status, you can check the status of your page. If there is any community standard violation, then all those sections will be displayed here. The page has no issue, as you can see that. So this is how you can create a Facebook page. And next, if you want to create a Facebook groups, then you can simply click on groups. Similarly, you can create a new group. Like for example, I have creating a group here. I have to enter the group name first. Similarly, like we have created for the Facebook page. So group name is IT for M group. And then I have to choose a privacy. For example, if I make it the public, then I can create a public. As you can see on the left hand side, there is a preview section, and then click on create button. It will ask you uh, and it will create a basic structure of the page. Now you can change the logo and the cover photo also. So for example, I am changing it, choose from group photos. So let's photo album. There is no photo available. Then simply click again, choose from my photos. And suppose I choose the same photo that I have selected or uploaded for a Facebook page. Just click on save changes. The changes will be saved. This is my uh, look and feel of my Facebook group. The interface is totally almost similar, but there are few additional or specific options. There is a polling option available. So if I want to create a Facebook poll, then I can only create them in a Facebook groups. So now the question is, what is the difference uh, between Facebook page and what is the difference between Facebook group? So just let me explain you. Facebook groups are basically are the places to communicate about a shared interest with a certain people. Means Facebook groups are basically used to create a community of a certain type of or a specific type of a people. Suppose if there is a institute, for example, there is an institute or college, something like this. Then if you want to promote or if you want to create an identity of a college or an institute on a global level or a single as a single entity, then you can create a Facebook page for that college or group. But each college and school have a different classes or a different department. For example, if I take an example of a college, so there is a XYZ college, and there are n number of departments like CSC department, electronics, and electrical. And if we want to promote the whole college, or if you want to publish the information about complete college or a whole college, then we will publish that public information to the Facebook pages. Because Facebook pages are used to promote the data that is publicly available, means that is available for all the public users, the all the users that are available or present on a Facebook network. So Facebook and on the other hand, the Facebook groups are basically used to target the specific audience. So, for example, if there is any cultural event is going to happen in a college, then this type of news should reach to the each and every student of each and every class. So that type of stuff we are going to post on Facebook page. But if there is an exam or if there is any assignment or if there is any test is going to happen or for a specific class, for example, there is a CSC department is taking an exam or taking a test of a CSC students, then there is no need to share that information to other students also. For such kind of activities we can use or create a groups. So for a whole promotion or whole or as a single entity, we can create a name, a Facebook page for that XYZ college. But in that Facebook page, we can also create a different groups. Means XYZ CSE group, XYZ electronics group. So we can where we can add only specific members related to the specific category. Means CSE group will have only CSE students and electronics group will have only electronics students. So whenever we have to share the information related to the specific students, then we will put that information into that group only. So this is how Facebook groups and Facebook pages are different from each other. Their working is similar, but the motive and the reason to create the features are totally different. So the polling section, you can create a poll. The post creation section is almost same. And if you want to create or publish any post, you poll, sorry, then you can simply click on polling option, and here you can enter the uh, question, your main question. For example, this is my question, which is a better choice to promote anything. For example, one is the marketing, and second option, for example, I am choosing so you can add any other. If you want to add more feature option, then you can simply click on it and add it. So as of now, we do not need, we have two options only. And so simply click the post, your opinion poll will be posted on your profile. And if you want to schedule this post, you can simply click on this icon and select the date. For example, from 12th January to any time, I'm going to something like this and simply schedule. It will automatically post on 12th January. So this is how your post is going to look like. When user is going to click on a specific option, the percentage will be automatically calculated and displayed here. So this is how you can create your opinion polls. So as of now, I'm just deleting it. So this is about Facebook pages and Facebook groups that we have created. Now just explore other things, other options. For example, if I go to pages and open and go to settings, you can change the dark mode to light mode anytime. If as you can see that there is a dark mode on, if you want to change it, you can simply change it from here. And let me So if you go to page setup, under the setting, there is a name section where you can create or change the name of the page, and where is you can also create a username. If you want to create a unique username, then you can simply go to settings, and then you can go to page setup, and under the page setup there is a naming section, and there is a two options. First one is a name and second one is a username. The name is going to be anything you can use, and but if you want to create a username, then username should be unique. So you can simply click on edit or enter your username here and save changes. So so this is a basic introduction about Facebook as a marketing tool. Now we will explore about ad with a Facebook ad manager. And if we go back to our main page, main profile basically. So this is our home profile. So the next topic is Facebook ad manager. And that is the main topic about in this digital marketing session, especially in Facebook marketing. So if we go back to our home page, and if you check, there should be a link like ad manager. Yes. So left hand side there is a icon or but link. There is a ad manager link. Simply click on it. Of dashboard is going to be displayed. So this is the ad creation section, and where you can create and design your ads or campaigns. So every Facebook ad promotion concept is designed or divided into three basic parts. If I show you, there is a first topmost is a campaign. First, we will create campaign, then we will create ad sets, and the third is going to be the ads. So if I show you as a demonstrate you as a, in a graphical view, just let me share my screen, and let me just open the paint. So assume this is first we will create a campaign. Campaign is your whole structure or a root container of your advertisements. So first we will create a campaign. So this is a suppose this is your campaign. Okay, so this is a campaign, and in this campaign we will create ad sets. This is your first ad set, or you can say that the set of ads. So this is your ad sets, and this is the campaign, and this is your ad set, and this ad set will have different type of ads and number of ads you can create inside a. So this is your ad one, ad two, etc. So this is how you can create your ads. So similarly, you can have n number of ad sets in a single campaign. It is totally up to you. And if you want to how many ad sets you want to create in a single campaign, or how many ads you want to create in a single ad set. So this is ad set 1 and this is ad set 2. So this is the overall structure. So now if I go back to the campaign section, so to first we will create a ad campaign. So and simply click on create, and as you can see that there are different categories are available. For example, what do you want to do with your this campaign? So suppose if you want to create just an awareness about your brand or services, you can use this. And if you want to increase or redirect the traffic on your website, then we can use this. And if you want to create the engagement of your users or of your followers on Facebook, with your Facebook data of files, basically, sorry, post, or the data you are uploading on Facebook. And if you want to create engagement on Facebook, then you can use this one. And if you want to generate more leads, then you can choose the leads option. And if you want to promote your application, mobile app you have developed, and you want to promote it, you can simply choose the app promotion and then sales. So for example, if I just want to create an awareness about my product, I will choose the awareness section. And simply, if you choose any of the, or take your mouse any of on any of these features, it will show you a brief description that what is this particular option is used for. Like for example, awareness, show your ads to the people who are most likely to remember them. So this ad or this campaign is going to target all those peoples. So I have chosen the awareness because suppose I want to create awareness about my brand or services. So then next drop down option is by default is a auction buying type. What type of how you want to spend your advertise or campaigns, auction based or reach and frequency. So by default I have chosen the auction one and then continue. So as you can see that a new campaign is created. So now you can simply create a new template, or you can name it anything like my aware awareness camp. So this is awareness campaign, and simply click. You can create a template if you have any. Uh, you can add or try these components also. Simply click on add campaign field, object ID, everything. So as of now, I'm just leaving it. And as you can see that there are a number of different features available, and this is our ad campaign is renamed, and under the campaign there is a ad set. And now special ad categories and benefits of declaring special ad categories. You can read all this information like so you can choose any category like financial product and services, employment related, housing related, or social issues related. So categorize your ads. You can categorize your ad. Is any part of your ad about financial product and services? Then you can check these. So for example, uh, we are not dealing with any, for example, unrelated activities, gift cards, financial management, education, tax, accounting services, and shop and rewards. And if yes, that means your ad is related to some kind of credit card, something like this, long-term financing. So as of now, for example, I am choosing no. And then it will ask you about employment. Are your ads are about employment? No, I am not providing any employment. Housing, are your ads about housing? See if you if you choose yes, then you can read all these options before doing any uh, choosing any options. For example, if you choose yes in this case, then listing you are accepting it that your ad is uh, related to like listing of properties for sale or rent, home insurance offers, or no, basically. So that's next. Social issues. Done. Then we will just campaign details. Buying type is auction by default we have chosen. If you want to still want to change it, you can change it to reach frequency. You can change it anytime. And then you simply click on next. Now our ad campaign detail we have filled. Now what we have to do? Now we have to create our first ad set. First rename it ad set 1. So under my campaign, this is my first ad set. So awareness. So under the awareness, there is a optimization for ad delivery, ad recall lift, impression through play. So these are the different options. We will deliver your ad to the predicted number of accounts center around the maximize. So you can Facebook is telling you that if you choose ad recall lift, then that means they will deliver your ad to the predicted number of accounts, center accounts, and maximize the total number of center accounts that will remember seeing your ad. So, and if you choose the impression part, then that means they will deliver your ad to the predicted number of accounts, center accounts. And through play, we will deliver your ads to help you to get the most completed video plays. This is totally if you are creating some kind of a video related ad, then they will show your ad to the users accordingly. So we are okay with the first one. And then because now Facebook is asking for which page you are promoting or creating this ad. So for example, I'm creating this ad for because we have three different pages in this profile. We have created three pages. So you can create a ad for any page you like. For example, if I want to create an ad for clothing and marketing page, then I will simply select that page. And next is, so this is the how many time a user you want to display your ad. So cap, basically you can set a cap here. So the maximum number of time you want people to see your ad. Suppose if someone sees your ad one time, how many time throughout your campaign you want that that particular user should see your ad. So you can set the limit. For example, 2 times 7 days. For 7 days, 2 times he or she will be able to see my ad, for example. So next, after that, we will set the schedule when will our campaign will automatically start running. So for example, I am setting up it from Monday 13th, and from particular time 12 a.m. or you can change your time. And if you want to end, when you want to end your for example, I want to end this advertisement on 20th, for example. So it will end on 20th. You can change. And if you want to schedule, for example, I want to run my advertisement from 12 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., for example, or 8 p.m. So after that, you can choose the audience, what type audience you want to target. So So now first we will choose the location where you want to show your ad. For example, in India, if I click on edit in location section, simply click on here. You can just, for example, I do not want to show it on Delhi because we are dealing with in Chandigarh only, for example. So first I will Chandigarh, Chandigarh, India. Then I will what? Then it will ask you for the radius, in which radius you want to target. For example, I want to target the 30 kilometer or 24 kilometer area, for example. So it will target the audience within this particular region. So next, what age you want to target? For example, you are selling clothes for adults or children, because we are creating this advertisement for a clothing page. So that means we are selling clothes. So if you now the question is, what is the right audience for your business? It means for which age or what age you want to target the audience. For example, I am selling clothes for all the audience from 18 or 18 above, or maybe 16. So I will choose 16 to 65. So I will choose this age. Then so as you can say, it is saying that there are some countries like Thailand or something like there are globally age is 18. So you can choose if you are running a ad on such countries, for such countries, then you can choose the age also according to that. So then what gender you want to target? If you want to gender a specific gender, then you can choose any of it. First we have to choose 18, and then we have to target gender, for example, men or women or all. So all languages, what languages you want? For example, because I am working in India, so Hindi speaking people, I am targeting in Punjab and Mohali area. So Punjabi is the other language. English I can use. So this is if I am want to show my display my ad in Maharashtra, then I will use Marathi also. So this is how Facebook will get a specific idea where uh, it show the advertisement. So according to all these details, it will display your advertisement. And detail targeting, if you want to add or show the advertisement to a specific on the basis of demographics, like click on it, you can change location, browser, you can choose demographic information. For example, education, if you want to target education or parents, for example, I want to target all parents, parents up to 12 months, parents with adult children's. So for example, this one is my right audience, for example, so I've choose this. And in interest, you can choose or select the audience on the basis of interest level, their interest level. So fitness and wellness, if you are selling fitness related clothes, then this is the right audience for you. And shopping and fashion, if you are selling just normal clothes and stylish fashionable things, then this type of the audience is the right for you. So simply select all, and this is for your. And if you want to target the audience on behavior level, then you can also target the audience on the behavior level. So this is how you can choose the demographic detail targeting section. And then you can create an ad format, what type of format you want to display your ad. And if you want to create an image carousel, carousel basically a number of you can add multiple photos and videos. It will create a collection or a album of it, and it will display your advertisement. So if you want to show a video in your ad, then you simply select this 360 photos. You can select this option, video, this section. And if you want to stories, carousel, then you can choose this, and instant experience this. So I am going with the first one, and then placement where you want to display your ad, and manual placement. This is the advantage plus basically Facebook automatically display the ad as per as their program. But if you want to place manually, you want to select where you want to display your ad, then you can go with the second option, the manual one. Then the manual placement devices, all devices. If you want to target a specific device, for example, you have created an ad for a specific mobile, for example, iPhone or desktop, then you can choose. Oh, because this is for common, so that's why I'm going with the all devices. And then platform, what platform you want to display your ad, Facebook or Instagram, and both, then tick on both. And under these platform, Facebook and Instagram, where you want to display, means there is a news feed option in Facebook and Instagram, and there is a reels option. So there is videos. If someone is watching video and between that video you want to display the ad, then you can choose Facebook video feeds. So you can select or uncheck anything. Then for example, I want to Instagram feed, Facebook feed, uh, Instagram Explorer. I can show Instagram Explorer home. That's it. Stories, you can choose stories and reels where you want to display. And if, as you can see that on the right hand side, there is a small preview how your ad is going to look like in a specific area. For example, Instagram Explorer, this is how your ad is going to look like. And if I select Facebook feed, then my ad is going to look something like this. So this is how you can select the layout. And the important thing is, and on the right hand side there is a budget option and there is a reach section also. So it is showing that how many people can get this advertisement on their profile and what is going to be a CPM of it. CPM is basically for click per view or minute. So this is how you can calculate your spendings basically. So this is how you can create or calculate your data. So this is your budget. You can dependly if you want to calculate on your reach, then you can choose this. And if you want to make it on budget, this is a total amount calculated by Facebook. But you can also customize it as per as your requirement. And for example, I want to use only 5,000. Then it will show you what budget must be at least this to reach minimum this. So if you change in the previous settings, then you can customize your budget also. For example, if I add 9,000, so this is a total reach. So this is a reach estimated audience, how these many peoples are going to be targeted by this ad, and this is a CPM, and this is going to be your cost per thousand expressions, total expressions that are. Uh, then this is a frequency. So this is a full stat section in person per person, your costing and your spendings. And this is a spend per day. This is going to be a chart. And placement distributions, mobile, desktop. This is majorly going to be displayed on a mobile phones. So review, and now we will proceed further. And if you want to review, this is your review section. You can check your budget and all. And And now reserve and ad set. Now the last part is you have to create your ad or you have to upload your media related to your advertisement. So to create your ad, you will just have to simply choose your ad name. Like this is my ad one, and now after that, we page automatically has been selected, and then ad setup, create your ad, or use as its existing post. You can also create a fresh new ad, or you can create the existing post that you have posted on Facebook as a ad also. So creative sources, manual upload is okay. Format, single image or video, that's good. Then yes, that's instant experience, or you can use a website. And if you are using the website option, then you have to pass the URL of your website. So this is a basically comes under destination part. Tell us where to send people immediately after they tap or click on the ad. You can simply add the link here. For example, we have a website like digital uh, hp.in. For example, this is a, or for example, Google, I'm using a Google link and I'm just copying a URL. This is for just for a demonstration purposes. So I'm pasting here, and this is how your ad is going to look like. And if you want to separate text or link to display, then you can here you have to paste here. So this is how your ad will look like on Facebook, and this is the Instagram look. So then if you want to add any add-ons, then you can, by default is none. And if you want to add a call button, you can simply click on call and you can have enter your mobile number here, etc. So I am okay with the none. And so that's it. This is the ad creation section. So your advertisement is almost completed, and you can check them out on mobile devices previews, and your ad is going to display on a different platforms like similar like this. Now the last step is to publish, and for the payment section. So simply just you can uh, draft this ad, or you can publish it later, or you can publish it right now if you want, if you have already added the payment section or payment information. So our ad is almost already almost completed. Just the last step is basically for the payment. Then you have to simply have to choose the payment option. So this is all about Facebook, how you can use the Facebook as a marketing tool. These are the basic information about Facebook marketing. So you can explore more in this Facebook's ad manager. First, you can have to create your profile and create new page. Then Facebook will allow you to create campaigns after some time. They immediately did not allow you. First, create your page and use it for at least a month or 2 months. Then they will activate your account for the ad section. Then you can go and experiment or publish your campaigns. Start with the low budget campaigns, then first learn about them, then you can promote your own business and services on a Facebook. So that's it. This is from my side from for today's session. So if you have any query regarding this, you can ask in the chat box. Otherwise, we are wrapping up this session here.